customs where we cover our eyes. Is there a certain way you're supposed to do that, or are we even supposed to be doing that? Because in my commentary, my Siddur, it does say to cover your eyes.
Correct.
So I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, they're not going to explain, so it's a good question. Thank you very much for asking. So it says that in this prayer we say it's I don't want to say prayer, it's declaration, right? Shema Israel, hear, O Israel, Hashem is our God, Hashem is one. And many times we have so many things on our mind, right? So many distractions. Like you have window, you have somebody coming, somebody living there. You have your phone, even though it's somewhere on the table. The screen went on. All of these things, all of the distractions. So our sages say to eliminate all of the distraction, you have to close your eyes, right? Completely close your eyes and concentrate, like on a phrase that Hashem is a king of the world. And some say roll your eyes all of the four directions. Okay, I'm not okay. We're not going to go into it. It's a different story, long story. But basically, at least close your eyes and concentrate on what you're saying. Close your eyes and close it even with a hand. You understand? That's like double closure. So and it's only for concentration. And the second line after we say and one and only, blesses the name of his glorious kingdom for eternity. And this is very important line, and I'm going to explain why. Many times I unfortunately I did not know, like I don't know exact translation in English, so I'm trying not to sometimes not to give like if this translation would be wrong, right? So it's actually many times we refer to this verse in our class Halachos of Brachos, meaning in what, when person says wrong blessing for something that they were not supposed to do. For example, person start drinking tea, right? Then got something on his mind or her mind, and stop drinking. And two minutes later, say blessing again on this cup of tea. So this blessing of course it's an unnecessary blessing. So in some sense, that person minimized the honor of Hashem in this world. Right, so it's like you call your friend, like you can call him many times. Sometimes he responds, sometimes not. Right, there is no big respect here. But the name of Hashem, carrying Hashem in vain, it's, as we know, it's a death penalty. Right, if by Beis Din or like from the hands of heaven. Right, it's very serious business. So we try to give back the honor, the glory. So it says, blessed is the name of glorious kingdom for all eternity. It was my fault. I said the blessing in vain. I apologize, and his kingdom should be glorious. And I agree. I don't want to keep his say his name in vain. So that's the line. Okay. What else? Yeah. So we cover our eyes.